What is going on, guys? Today I want to show you one of the new additions we had. We've been working on this car. I've replaced the what's it called, front suspension, the brakes, brake calipers, not calipers, the brake rotors, and everything. So I'm gonna give you a quick walk around. Check it out. This is a nice car. It's a 2000 Honda Civic sedan, 4-door LX. Alright, check it out. It looks really good. Runs and drives pretty good too. Well, let's look at the interior right now. This is the camera that I make the magic happen with, guys. This is Sony a6000. Shout out to Sony a6000, right? Okay. So first glance, here we go. This is where we have it. I want to do some window tint over here because I don't know if you can see that, maybe not, but some window tint would be nice. Check it out. 2000 Honda Civic, it's not bad. Let's get inside of it because it is hot outside. I'm sweating. So hot. Okay, well, check it out. I also installed a radio on it. It's a little Boss radio that I had bought on Amazon for like 30 bucks. Does the trick, plays my music. Here's a shifter. She's a trooper. It's got around 200 miles on the odometer. Now, in counting, this is the car that I'm gonna start driving daily so I can save some gas. It almost filled me up and I put 15 bucks. Now, the previous owner, they engineered this in a fashion very unique to themselves, you know? Nah, I choose a different design. But I'm glad they improvised. Peace. You know? Anyways, let's take this puppy. Let's park it back. And I'm going to show you our location. Some of the cars we have. Because we have cars everywhere. Cars at the house. Cars at the office. Alright, so this is our lot. We still got a couple spots. Check out some of the inventory. Let me roll the window down. This window tint. Maybe you'll see the difference. There we go. Alright, check out this inventory right here. There's gonna be our Tahoe that we've been working on as well on the channel. Check it out. And there's your boy car. This is where the magic happens. This is my shop where I work on the cars. And there's a bunch of these too. So, well, I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of this car. So thank you so much if you stuck around. And hit that like and subscribe button for me. You know? Alright.